Apple is ready to redefine what a smartphone can do with the upcoming iPhone 16 Plus. Bigger display, faster performance, and an all-new camera system. There's so much to unpack here. Stick around as we break down all the exciting features and, of course, reveal the official launch date.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're as excited as I am for the new iPhone 16 Plus, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know, from the design upgrades and performance to the cameras and that crucial release date. Let's get started. First up, let's talk design. The iPhone 16 Plus will feature the same 6.7-inch display, but with even thinner bezels and a sleeker titanium frame that makes it more durable and lighter. Rumor has it that the display will have promotion technology for smoother scrolling and better visuals, with up to a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, we're getting the powerful A17 Bionic chip built on the 3nm process. This chip promises 20% faster performance compared to the iPhone 15 Plus, with enhanced machine learning capabilities and better energy efficiency. That means smoother multitasking, better gaming, and more battery life, up to 22 hours on a single charge. And then, of course, there's the camera. The iPhone 16 Plus will rock a dual camera system with an upgraded 48-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This is perfect for capturing sharp, detailed photos, even in low light. Expect improvements to cinematic mode, night mode, and possibly even a periscope zoom for long-distance shots. On the charging front, Apple is expected to introduce USB-C on all models of the iPhone 16 lineup. That means faster charging and better data transfer speeds. Also, Wi-Fi 7 support could be coming, offering blazing fast internet speeds for seamless streaming and gaming. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the launch date. Apple typically reveals its new iPhones at its September fall event, and the iPhone 16 Plus is expected to be announced around September 2024. Pre-orders will likely open a week after the event, with the official launch date in October 2024. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 16 Plus going to be the best iPhone yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.